I'm Jason with AmeraTrail. People ask all the time, what's the difference between AmeraTrail and other manufacturers? Did you know that AmeraTrail is the most vertically integrated trailer manufacturer in the industry? Let's take a walk in the shop. Our automated beamline brings you precision and accuracy that is unmatched in the industry. With tooling like our laser table, automated milling machines and saws allows us to maintain control of the supply chain and the quality of the parts that are produced for your trailer. We utilize robotics to assist in manufacturing parts that are typically purchased as a component and often from an offshore supplier. This allows us to maintain control of quality and consistency with a domestically manufactured product that is designed to give you the best experience and confidence that your trailer will perform flawlessly for years to come. In addition to our higher level of automation, we have an entire team of people that are dedicated to ensuring you get the best product in the market. If you're towing your boat to your local ramp or across the country, you can be confident on the reliability of your AmeraTrail trailer.